Alexander Mattheus Michel is an American businessman, producer, and television personality. He is best known for being the first star of The Bachelor during its premiere season on ABC in 2002. Michel was born in Charlottesville, Virginia, the son of a corporate executive and a marriage and family therapist. He has two younger sisters. At Darien High School, Michel was the valedictorian, student body president, homecoming king, and captain of the swim team. He graduated with honors from Harvard College, majoring in history and literature, and was a member of the varsity swimming and water polo teams. During college, he spent a summer working as an analyst in the Office of Management and Budget in the Executive Office of the President of the United States. After college, he worked in the U.S. Embassy in Mexico. He later became a documentary travel video producer, which took him to Australia, Brazil, China, Fiji, India, Japan, Kenya, Malaysia, New Zealand, and Venezuela among others. He speaks Spanish and some Portuguese. Michel later returned to school and earned an MBA at Stanford University's Graduate School of Business in 1998. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.